Hi guys, and welcome back to Lark's Workshop. I'm Lark's, this is my workshop. Now as you can see behind, Bugley is back on the floor after we've done all the suspension bits on it, all the front suspension bits. If you haven't seen what we've done to it, have a look at my previous videos. Basically we've done most of the bushes, steering rack bushes, ball joints, track rod ends, everything, and well, we got to do a bit of an alignment on it really. I mean, I'm going to do this just a home alignment, get it pretty close. I might take it to somewhere professional to get it done. But when I put it back on the ground, I did notice that the passenger left wheel is sort of tucking out at the top. So what's that? That's positive camber, isn't it? Which I was surprised at because I haven't changed the camber at all. But I have changed the bushes, perhaps they were that worn, but it went through an MOT, so I don't know. I'll show you. Let's have a look. So here we've got driver's side. Looks pretty good. Now look at the passenger side. Can you see it with this camera? I know this tends to fisheye. Is that out at the top? Let's put a spirit level, not spirit level. That touching at the top. It's not, see what I mean? So we've got a half-inch gap. It's touching at the top and not the bottom. I'll show you the other side. See that? It's got a little bit of negative camber, so you've got a tiny gap at the top and touching at the bottom. I know this is very coarse, but yeah, you know, I've actually got a little inclinometer in my pocket. Just bought this off of eBay. So let's stick it on. I'm going to stick it on the wheel, so it's going to be pretty pretty coarse, but it'll give us an idea very roughly what we got there. That's 89.8 degrees, so nearly upright. Let's go around to other. Yeah, this is just a very coarse. What's that say on there? That says, looking that way, 88.5. So yeah, it's out, it's top out a couple of degrees. So yeah, I'm gonna have to whip this wheel off, I think, and have a look, see if anything's gone amiss on that adjuster at the top. Right, I'll get it up on axle stands. You don't want to see that. Right, the wheel's off, and you can see that it's changed a bit. It was 88.5, I think. Now it's 87.3, so it's gone back 1 degree-ish with the weight off. This is very rough stuff. So what I'll do is I'll try and adjust it to about 89, because we want upright really. That's what the specs say, 90 degrees. And the way we do that is at the back of the top suspension arm. I hope you can see that. There's a nut there, which is 19mm. And on the other side is, well, it's all the same shaft actually, but that's a hex, a socket, sorry, which is 14mm, I think. Yeah, 14mm. So that one adjusts the camber. But first we got to undo that one. So I'll try and set you up on the tripod. I think this is my new GoPro. So we'll see how we get on. Right, I'm sorry if you're a bit wobbly, but the only place I could find to clip you to was actually one of the wheel studs. So there we go. Let's I haven't sprayed this, but it looks like it's been undone. Or maybe not. she goes. Right. I don't know if this one will move easy or not. I don't. Having never done this before. No. Slack it off a bit more. Well, that's pretty slack. Oh, movement. You're probably moving there actually, because I'm moving the suspension. Right. Right, so you're there looking at the inclinometer, and I'm going to see if I can move this at all. Right, so I'm just going to, if I pull that out a bit, it goes nearer where I want it. So we're still positive camber. I can't work it out in my head. So let's see if it moves. Nothing. Oh, that's moving, isn't it? So that was all the way on by the looks of things. So that's why it's positive camber maybe. Right, we're changing, we're moving. Still pretty tight. Get the tube on it. So let's go for 89. Famous last one. I can see what we can get. We're moving, isn't it? It's going to be fun to adjust when the thing's on the ground. We'll get to it. Remembering this is just coarse and it's rough. 89. Right, I'm going to leave it at that. Right, back on the ground. I know I've just moved it backwards and forwards a bit. And that's what we got, 89.6. Wobble, wobble. So, you know, we're nearly vertical if I just pull that out a little bit. We're not far off vertical. Right, the wheel's back on. All I'm doing here is leveling up a couple of plates. I've got some plates there, can you see? All I've done is got a couple of metal plates with a bit of grease in between. I'll roll the bus back onto them so it can twist and move as it needs to. And I don't need to level them up because the floor's level. I've checked it with the spirit level across. The tape there is just where the wheel was before. So I'll push them back on and then we'll start having a look. See what the alignment's like. Right, all I've done here is strap the steering wheel so it's straight. It's not tight, it's just holding it there because I haven't got a tool to do it, so that's adequate. And now, sorry about that, I've just zip tied a spirit level. It's reasonably level on that side. We're on top of our little plates there with a bit of grease to allow it to move. And just first inspection, or first, that doesn't look too bad. Got to remember this is all put back to the measurements it was taken off at. So this side, can you see it with the fisheye on this thing? It's stuck right out. So looks like, I mean, I know I've changed lots of bushes and that, but it looks like we were towing out a bit, as well as funny camber on this side. That bit of wood there, that was just to help get on the plates without them sliding. Right, so all I've got to do now is measure between the two of them, and I'm just going for parallel for now. I know that's not the figure. I'm just going for parallel until we can get it done properly. I've got two tape measures taped. Tape measures taped to this side. And over this side, I've just got on dangling over. And all I'm going to do is get them parallel. See what we've got there at the moment. 73.5. $72.5. So I'm just going to adjust the track rod ends to parallel these up. But welcome back under the bus. And I do apologise, this is my 21mm. I can't find it anywhere. So just got to undo the track rod end. These are nice and loose because I freed them all off. And then to adjust it, just got to turn these bad boys. I can't remember which way now. That way. And I'll put you on the tape and you can see what's happening. Right, so hopefully you're pointing at the tape. I'm going to adjust it and you might see it move. I hope you see it move. Right, so we've got 72 on the front one, 72 on the back one, and now I'm just going to measure from the chassis rail to the inside of that one. So that 19.25. Let's go around to the other side. Sorry, a bit darker this side. Oh, now that 20.25. So even though we're parallel, we are turning left, if that makes sense. So all I'll do now, basically the wheels are parallel, but both that way. Okay, yeah, so I've been fiddling around for 10 minutes. We've got 73 there. That's the front. At the back, 73, and to the chassis rail, 19.5. Go around the other side. Try not to trip over them. To the chassis rail. You see it? 19.5. So we are parallel. Ultimately, we don't want to end up parallel, but that'll get us, well, this is just a start, so I know I'm in a reasonable place to start. But, right. We're out for a little test drive. See if it feels any different. See if anything falls off. We're wobbling. Seems alright. No knocking yet. As direct as you can get for an old bus like this. Yeah, I think that's alright. We'll have to take it for a proper run, get it proper warmed up, but at this moment in time, I'm happy with that. Right guys, that's a wrap for today on this video. I'm pleased, it seems to run quite well. no knocks or bangs, so hopefully it'll be good. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, please subscribe, please share with your friends, and don't forget we've got our Instagram account, which is Larks_workshop, and I'll see you next time. Cheers then.